Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 22nd of May 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 21st and 22nd of May 2021. Our first question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Bee Day? Answer is option number 3, 20th May. 20th May is celebrated as World Bee Day. Bees and other pollinators such as butterflies, bats and hummingbirds are increasingly under threat from human activities. Pollination is a fundamental process for survival of our ecosystem. Nearly 90% of the world's wildflowering plant species depends entirely or at least in part on animal pollination, along with more than 75% of world food crops and 35% of global agricultural land. Pollinators contribute directly to food security and they are key to conserving biodiversity. And to raise awareness of the importance of pollinators, the threat they face and their contribution to sustainable development, the United Nations has designed 20th May as World Bee Day. So answer will be option number 3, 20th May. Next, which of the following country has recently launched Haiyang 2D satellite into orbit as part of its efforts to build an all-weather round-the-clock dynamic ocean environment monitoring system? Answer is option number 2, China. Recently, China has successfully sent a new ocean monitoring satellite into orbit as part of its effort to build an all-weather and round-the-clock dynamic ocean ecosystem monitoring system. It would provide early warning on marine disasters. Haiyang 2D or HY2D or HY2D satellite was launched by a Long March 4B rocket from Jaegun Satellite Launch Center in North China. So answer will be option number 2, China. China, look it up. This is China. Its capital is Beijing. President is Xi Jinping and currency of China is renminbi. Next, Tejaswini Shankar is seen in news recently. He belongs to which of the following sports? Answer is option number 4, high jump. Look at the image. This is Tejaswini Shankar and he is a Indian athlete who belongs from high jump sports, and he is in news recently because he has won the Big 12 Outdoor Track and Field Championship, which has been held in Manhattan in USA recently. So answer will be option number 4. He belongs to high jump. Next, which of the following state government has recently launched MoMA Market app? Answer is option number 2, Manipur. Recently, the state government of Manipur has launched the MoMA Market mobile application, which enables residents to order fresh vegetables and have them delivered to their homes. Manipur has launched the application to make fresh vegetables available for daily consumption and to reduce the distress sales of farm produce during the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. So answer will be option number 2, Manipur. And long form of MoMA is Manipur Organic Mission Agency. Manipur Organic Mission Agency is the long form of MoMA in MoMA Market app. Next, which of the following states cabinet has recently approved a proposal to form a legislative council in the state? Answer is option number 3, West Bengal. What is Legislative Council? Legislative Council or Vidhan Parishad is the upper house in the states that have bicameral state legislature, the lower house being the state of legislative assembly. Its establishment is defined in the article 169 of the Constitution of India, and currently only 6 out of 28 states have the Legislative Council. These are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. And recently, Trinamool Congress government in West Bengal has approved setting up of a legislative council in the state. It was a promise made by the party in the election manifesto. So answer will be option number 3, West Bengal. West Bengal, look at map. This is West Bengal. Capital is Kolkata. Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee. Its legislature has 294 members. 42 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 16 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from West Bengal. It is the 4th most populous and 13th largest state by area in India. It borders with Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Sikkim and Assam. Ganga, Hooghly, Damodar, Bhagirathi, Mayuraksha are the main rivers of West Bengal, and Kathi is the cultural dance form of West Bengal. Next, according to the recently released Bloomberg Billionaires Index, who has become the most richest person in the world? Answer is option number 1, Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is the founder of Amazon and recently he has become the most richest person in the world according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. So answer will be option number 1. Next, as announced by the Indian Health Ministry, the CoWIN portal will be made available in Hindi and dash regional languages by next week. Answer is option number 2, 14. CoWIN is India's mobile application for its massive vaccination drive against COVID-19, and the Indian Health Ministry has recently announced that the CoWIN portal will be made available in Hindi and 14 regional languages. So answer will be option number 2. Next, according to the recent data released by MOEFCC, that is Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, which of the following state has accounted for the highest number of elephant casualties on railway track between 2009-10 to 2020-21? Answer is option number 4, Assam. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has recently released an information about the deaths of elephants in India. According to this Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, a total number of 186 elephants were killed after being hit by train across India between 2009-10 to 2020-21, and Assam has accounted for the highest number of elephant casualties on railway tracks, which is 62, followed by West Bengal 57 and Odisha 27. So answer will be option number 4, Assam. Next, Asia Cup 2021, which was shifted from Pakistan to Dash, was called off due to rising COVID-19 cases. Answer is option number 4, Sri Lanka. What is Asia Cup? Asia Cup is a men's one-day international and T20 international cricket tournament. It was established in 1983 when Asia Cricket Council was founded as a measure to promote goodwill between Asian countries. It was originally scheduled to be held every 2 years, or it is biannual championship, and it was first held in 1984 in UAE. 2021 Asia Cup, which was shifted from Pakistan to Sri Lanka, was called off due to rising COVID-19 cases in Sri Lanka. The Asia Cup, which was last held in 2018, was scheduled to be held in June, but Sri Lankan cricket CEO has announced that it will be difficult for them to conduct the tournament due to rising COVID-19 cases. So answer will be option number 4, Sri Lanka. Next, which state government has recently launched the Ayush Ghar Dwar program to keep the home isolated COVID-19 positive patients healthy by practicing yoga? Answer is option number 2, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh state government has recently launched the Ayush Ghar Dwar program to keep home isolated COVID-19 positive patients healthy by practicing yoga. This program has been started by the Department of Ayush in collaboration with the Art of Living organization. So answer will be option number 2, Himachal Pradesh. Next, which of the following state or union territory has recently announced to pay education for children whose parents died because of COVID-19? Answer is option number 4, Delhi. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has recently announced that the children whose parents were died of COVID-19 will get rupees 2,500 per month till they turn 25, and their education will be paid by the Delhi government. So answer will be option number 4, Delhi. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Telecommunication and Information Society Day? Answer is option number 2, 17th May. Which of the following day is celebrated as National Dengue Day in India? Answer is option number 2, 16th May. Who is the author of the book titled All Time Favorite for Children? Answer is option number 1, Ruskin Bond. Who has become the Miss Universe 2021? Answer is option number 1, Andrea Meza. Next, who among the following has won the men's single title in Italian Open 2021? Answer is option number 1, Rafael Nadal. RBI has recently cancelled the license of United Cooperative Bank Limited. This bank is located in Dash. Answer is option number 1, West Bengal. Which of the following day is celebrated as World AIDS Vaccine Day? Answer is option number 2, 18th May. Tashi Yongjam, who is in news recently, is Dash. Answer is option number 1, mountaineer. And ninth question was, which of the following country will host the Men's Boxing Championship 2021? Answer is option number 2, Serbia. And 10th question was, KK Agrawal has recently died of coronavirus at the age of 62. He was a Dash. He was a cardiologist. So answer will be option number 4. This was the question asked to you in the last video. Question was, which of the following Indian actor has been awarded with Best Actor Award in the New York City International Film Festival recently? Answer is option number 3, Anupam Kher. Bollywood actor Anupam Kher has been awarded with the Best Actor Award in the New York City International Film Festival recently. Now today's question is, Chief Minister of which state has recently announced the creation of Malerkotla as state's 23rd district? Options are Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.